Today, over 1 billion cars are circulating on our roads, and this number is expected to double within the next 20 years. At the same time, over 2 billion people will move to cities. So to put this number into context, it's like building a city of the size of Rome or Berlin every month for 20 years straight. And all statistics confirm that the average occupancy of each car is between 1.1 and 1.2. This means basically that if we could raise this number to 2, we will have half of the congestion. And if we could raise this number to 3, we will have no congestion at all. So the question is, how can we convince those people to move from a car-dependent lifestyle to some form of collective transportation? The answer is easy, simple, at least in theory. We should provide a service that is at the same time as comfortable, as flexible, and as convenient as the private car, but at the same time it should cost less and have a better environmental impact. That's why we created MVMANT. MVMANT is a turnkey solution that enables every city, no matter which size, which structure or financial resources, to implement a new transit system based on vehicles circulating on fixed routes but with a service on request. We could define it like the perfect synthesis between bus and taxi. The displacement of vehicles is managed through intelligent algorithms in order to have them available when needed and where needed. And this has huge consequences because first, we reduce the waiting time for customers, but at the same time, we increase revenues for the operator and we have a much better environmental impact per passenger. We want to offer the best commuting experience at the lowest price possible. And to do this, we are exploiting our experience in proximity marketing. MVMANT integrates a complete advertising solution and a loyalty platform. So we can show targeted advertising in the app, and local business can attract customers to their venue by using our system with very little investment. Customers can also collect free trips with our loyalty system, and this creates a virtuous ecosystem that benefits all stakeholders in the city. The biggest inspirer of MVMANT is the Cuban taxi particular. In La Habana, you have those old cars that circulate on fixed routes, traveling back and forth. And this allows to cover virtually every corner of the city in a very effective and inexpensive way. So we took this approach of frugal innovation and refined it and perfected it to the highest level. The name MVMANT is the combination of movement and ant. In fact, ants have the most efficient algorithms to organize their path. And observing nature is sometimes the best way to create innovation that works. FIWARE has delivered a tremendous value to us. We could develop some key features of MVMANT in a very fast and efficient way by using several generic enablers provided by FIWARE. Being a part of the frontierCities program has been extremely helpful for us. The frontierCities team has provided first-class training, coaching, networking with investors and technical partners. And this has been really an accelerator in the true sense of the word. And thanks to our coaches and mentors, we have reached so fast the level we are at now. We want to create the best commuting experience that city dwellers can ever dream of. And to deliver service at the highest level, you need a first-class software. But if you really want to go to the top, you also need first-class hardware. In our case, this means delivering mobility with vehicles that have values of comfort, elegance, technical perfection in their DNA. And that's where Mercedes-Benz is the perfect fit for MVMANT.